In the darkness of modern warfare, one sound has terrified enemy forces for decades: the deep thunder of rotor blades cutting through the night sky. Then suddenly, Hellfire missiles explode across the battlefield. Targets disappear in seconds, and before anyone can react, the helicopter vanishes back into darkness. This is the AH-64D Apache, one of the most feared attack helicopters ever created. But after decades of combat, a dangerous question remains. Is the AH-64 Apache still in use today? Or has modern warfare finally made this legendary helicopter obsolete? Because hidden behind its deadly reputation lies a combat legacy filled with secret missions, technological evolution, and battlefield survival few aircraft could ever match. The Apache was never designed to be ordinary. During the Cold War, military planners feared massive armored invasions capable of overwhelming defensive forces across Europe. The United States needed a weapon capable of destroying tanks, surviving heavy combat, and operating in extreme battlefield conditions. The answer became the AH-64 Apache, a heavily armed attack helicopter designed to hunt armored vehicles and dominate low-altitude combat zones. When the Apache entered combat, it changed modern warfare forever. Its advanced targeting systems, night vision capability, heavy armor, and devastating missile firepower made it one of the most dangerous helicopters on Earth. Enemy forces suddenly faced an aircraft capable of attacking in darkness, bad weather, and hostile environments with terrifying accuracy. So, is the AH-64 Apache still in use? The answer is yes. And not only is it still active, the Apache continues serving in multiple military forces around the world. Over time, the helicopter evolved through major upgrades, including advanced radar systems, digital avionics, improved sensors, and expanded battlefield networking capability. The AH-64D variant represented one of the most important modernization stages in Apache history. The Apache's combat history spans multiple decades and conflicts, from desert warfare to urban combat to counterinsurgency operations. The aircraft repeatedly adapted to changing battlefield environments. Its ability to provide close air support, armored attack capability, and reconnaissance made it valuable in many military operations. Modern warfare is changing rapidly. Unmanned drones now perform surveillance, strike missions, and reconnaissance at lower operational risk. Advanced missiles threaten helicopters operating near contested zones, and electronic warfare systems complicate battlefield operations. For some military analysts, the age of the traditional attack helicopter may be ending. The AH-64 Apache was built for war, and decades later, it still dominates battlefields across the world, because true military legends do not disappear easily. They adapt, they evolve, and they survive. If you want more hidden military aviation stories, classified combat technology, helicopter warfare secrets, and legendary battlefield machines, subscribe now, because the next video may reveal the future aircraft designed to replace the Apache itself.